I do or what I say. I don't need to worry about the money grabbing scum from yesterday. You wanna see me cry? You wanna see me cry? You wanna see me cry tonight? Don't feed us lies or carry on as before. Destroy the tide because you treat me like a whore. This is goodbye. This is the help I need off the floor. Destroying the lives. You're gonna have to tell me, you'll have to show us lies if you want to help me be me tonight. bats,
naps,
getting too fat,
various bugs,
sheepskin rugs,
twilight bugs,
slopes,
being yourself,
being alone,
getting lost,
looking silly,
failure,
commitment,
responsibility,
youth of today,
things that creep,
things that crawl,
things that slither,
things that scurry,
things that sting,
things with claws,
things that ooze,
anything sticky,
lilies,
elbows,
water,
peas,
windmills,
seaweed,
wasps,
stickers on fruit,
thunder and lightning,
daddy long legs,
roller coasters,
enclave spaces,
tubes,
feet,
parents,
police,
infections,
injection,
infections,
rejection,
spiders,
mice,
heights,
sharks,
townies,
moths,
clowns,
the duck,
buttons,
fire,
face paint,
blood,
cats,
God,
the devil.
dog.
If I'm that lucky, why the fuck am I so sad? Inside my mind, is it because I miss my dad, or my mum, or my brothers, or my ex, or my friends? The list could carry on. Is this where it ends with me? Just jotting down, reminiscing on times past. Now I know why the tears fall from my eyes. They create a pool of lies. I wish that I could get a sponge and absorb it, but it won't do no good. I wish I understood the circumstances when they emerged. I could have dealt with them straight away, but maybe they wouldn't have erupted in the way they did. This shit is absurd, that everything I've done has been wrong since my birth. This is the last time I will get caught in the trap. I will take no more shit. I promise myself that if I ever start falling down this slippery slope again, I will stop, turn around, think about it, and then I will walk away.
He's so lucky he got far, but he cries in his lonely heart. And if somebody ever told him that he would be as good as he is, he would not have understood.
Lord, if you hear me, I know that I don't ask your help very often, but I promise I won't ever forget it. If you just do me one favor, please, I'm begging to you, look, I am down on my knees. Can you take all the misery and hate out my life? Can I have a second chance to put it all right and make it better for the world of music as an artist? A universal language, but the hardest thing that I've ever had to do is just accept that I won't change. Yeah, some people are upset, but I can't be the leader of a flock if I'm not in the right frame of mind or have a pure heart. I remember when I used to have it all, but still my life just carries on turning like a water wheel, and I wish I could turn myself back into a kid, live my childhood again without all of the shit that I've made. Yeah, I know I've dug myself a deeper hole, and lo and behold, the outcome is my soul. I've sold, I thought I told everyone to just accept me as I am. Fair enough, I might be blunt, don't forget I'm Yan. I'm the same person who I always was before I even thought about walking through that studio door. So please, Lord, I'm asking you, don't forget me, don't forget who I am. I'm not evil, I'm Yan.
He's so lucky, he got far, but he cries, cries, cries in his lonely heart. And if somebody ever told him that he would be as good as he is, he would not have understood.
Now the shit has hit the fan, metaphorically speaking, like a prince from a toad. I'm a man from a weakling, and I intend to carry on the same as before. I've just set myself a few more goals to score. If I miss them, who cares? I'll just try again. If I achieve them even better, I'll be happy. And then if I suddenly fail, at least I'll know I've tried. Besides doing nothing and keeping it all inside, too fucking right I've cried. Vivid tears of mixed emotions, they tell tales of fun, anger, regret and devotion. Nobody ever said it would be easy to do this, but I've pushed the right buttons and I've pulled right through it 2 times now. My first CD, nobody wants to know me until they started listening to the lyrics in it properly. Fuck my hand, that was a joke to get me known. Then I hit you with tribute and brought the hip hop home. Yeah.
He's so lucky, he got far, but he cries, cries, cries in his lonely heart. And if somebody ever told him that he would be as good as he is, he would not have understood.
as the beat kicks in. That's when the party starts to begin, so everybody start listening in. My dreams are being on stage, getting outraged. The shit I wrote down on the page, getting better by the days in so many ways. Want my levels to calm, I want to stay. Want to give it a blaze. This just ain't just some short face. This is something I've always praised, chased for so long. Rapping my own written song, I will never quit being strong. This is some of what I belong, so listen to my song, what I have written. Took so much hard work, got my head splitting. Never will I ever think of quitting. Hope to God, never to choke, be tripping. With my lines, my rhymes, they will always be kicking. I was turning, flipping. Yo, believe me, I spend minutes, hours, days, months trying to write a song. It's more easy, after a while I'll become teasy. Bro, if I write a good freestyle and it's not cheesy, that will make me smile, that would please me. Just gotta be patient, wise. Just recently realized, only God knows when I'm gonna rise. Might take a while, it might become a surprise, and before you know it, you become a star in people's eyes. It's like it'll happen so fast, time will pass. It is hard but it's a task. So much shit will be going in, so much shit will be coming out of your ass in time with a fast. Try your best to make the moment last, cause one head's up, one half and one has. So go for your class, whether it's English, history, science or maths. Whatever it is, have it. Think before you go up and grab it. It just might come through and you can have it. Make sure this is what you want, don't mistake it as soon as it's there. Trust me, go and take it, do your best. Most you make it, love it so much and then you can practically taste it. Make sure it's so good, no one in the whole world can ever replace it. Do what they become, make it, don't stop to chase it. When it does, make sure you stay tough and face it. Keep it in your mind, never erase it. Sing, sing, sing with me as I blaze it, blaze it. I want my dreams to come true, just like me, I and you. And you know what I got to do for your dreams to come true, true, true. Want my dreams to come true, just like me, I and you. And you know what I got to do for your dreams to come true, true, true. My dreams are becoming a rhyming lyrical master. As the beat gets quicker, I become a faster. Minds are becoming more faster. I'm sorry for all those people dreams that tied in an actual disaster. My dreams becoming more inside than an outcaster. So to me it seems I will never quit aiming for my dreams. It seems it means so much. It's a way of how I can express my inside sensitive touch. Just like my crutch, I'll go so much as I'm able. I'll keep going until I'm unstable, till I can't write no more. Sat at my table, cause when I'm on the mic, saying what I like, saying what I've seen, heard, someone out of spite. Something to make your heart beat faster, something to turn your face white. I'll try my best to make the words tight. Brill, every line goes to the kill. Never been short stabbed, nothing like that's why I may be skilled. Driven the show plus after it makes me feel. Whoa, quick, say something before I sneeze at you, bless you. When I'm on the mic, I feel so special. I can say if I like you, hate you if I miss you. I can say things that might need me or others needing a tissue. Or I can say things about me, or it consists you, or it can exist. Jokes and punks or pistols, whatever I think of, whatever I go through. This song ain't just for me, it's for you too. So sing along with me, even the fathers and moms too, moms too. I want my dreams to come true, just like me, I and you. And you know what I got to do for your dreams to come true, true, true. Want my dreams to come true, just like me, I and you. And you know what I got to do for your dreams to come true, true, true. Dreams.
Tell me it's something true. Tell me it's something I can take to remember you. Let me know that I'm your angel. Let me know that I'm the one you love. I can't live and I can't breathe without you. Tell me it's something precious. Tell me it's something true. Tell me it's something I can take to remember you. Let me know that I'm your angel. Let me know that I'm the one you love.
Today I'm lazy, oh woe is me. And I can't even fucking see. What is it doing to me? All I ever wanna do is scream. And I scream. Yeah! 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 So annoying, beating me up inside. From this work I cannot hide. Can't be bothered, can't be fucked. I can't help screaming so damn much. So I scream. Yeah! 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 Yeah!
I've come a long way since the days when I used to play piano in assembly, accompanied by drums and xylophones, playing the song to win all talent shows. It was one of the first songs that I ever wrote, inspired by a travelling music workshop man that spoke of this gal that started on D and ended on D, using all the white keys. It was an itty bitty ditty, and everyone that knew it would goad me on to do it, though they weren't into the new bit or any of the new bits that I tried to add, cause I was a little bit embarrassed by this song that only had 3 notes, D, E and F, played over and over again, a little bit like this: D, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, E, D. But I think you get the gist. Hey yo, what was that tune you know? The one you used to do, didn't it go? Do, do, be do, 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 be do, be do. Hey yo, what was that tune you know? The one you used to do, didn't it go? Do, do, be do, 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 be do, be do. Heard other songs but no one wanted to know. They'd say play that other one, you know, the good one from all those years ago, at which point I should have said no, but this song I had to put down only fueled my ego. And though they were only 3 notes, they were the best 3 notes. These are my 3 notes, the notes that we played at the talent show, where we all lined up with our instruments and hoped that although we were hot favourites, we'd taken no risk and added a new bit that really didn't go, and perhaps we played it a bit too slow. I don't know, how did it go? D, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, E, D, E, F, E, F, E, D. But I think you get the gist. Hey yo, what was that tune you know? The one you used to do, didn't it go? Do, do, be do, 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 be do, be do. Hey yo, what was that tune you know? The one you used to do, didn't it go? Do, do, be do, 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 be do, be do. Hey, hey yo, yo, what was that tune you know? No, the one you used to do, didn't it go? Do, do, be do, 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 be do, be do. Hey, hey yo, yo, what was that tune you know? No, the one you used to do, didn't it go? Do, do, be do, 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 be do, be do.
won't wait till they appear. Wait until the day comes near. Wait until they will come through. It doesn't matter if I'm treading on thin ice, because I can walk on water. It makes no difference that your friends pretend to be nice. It will make my days no shorter. La, 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 I've got fuck all left to do for every meander.